Hi, Andrew here with SewLakeTahoe. This is video 1 of 2 of my toilet paper fit test. Now this is going to show you how to get the toilet paper to the correct size. And in my next video, it's going to show you how to fit it on your face to make sure that you're going to find the right size for you. Now I make all these different types of masks and all these different options. But if you summarize it, I have 3 sizes. I have a medium size, a large, and an extra large. 3 sizes of masks. And that decision influences everything else. So however you find the best fit for your mask, then you can pick a filter or straps or whatever else. But you have to find the best fit. And you're going to want your mask to fit past your eyes. So if it's falling before your eyes, it's not really covering, it's probably going to be too tight for your face. So what's so awesome is we're all talking about toilet paper nowadays with the stupid pandemic. And we all have some. What's great about toilet paper is that every square, on average, is 4 inches by 4 inches. So it's kind of a standard measurement around the house that everyone has. If you have a ruler, you can measure it out professionally, but a lot of people at home don't have rulers. So I had to come up with this system to find a way to test your fitting without any tools, hence toilet paper. So I'm just going to take off 2 squares of toilet paper. And we're going to do some math today. How much is 2 squares of toilet paper if each square is 4 inches? 4 plus 4 is 8 inches. 8 inches is the size of my extra large mask. 8-inch mask. And I'm just going to lay it over it so you can kind of see how that works. And there you go. I'm not doing a very good job, but it is exactly the same size. There it is. My large size mask here is 7 inches in width. And finally, my medium size mask is 6 inches in width. So 1 inch increments. 6, 7, 8. Extra large is 8, medium is 6, 7 is in between. There's the sizes. So to get toilet paper to fit those sizes, you can follow the graphics that are below this video, or you can just follow along at home. My biggest problem is ripping off 2 squares of toilet paper correctly. Here we go. This is going to be a good one. There we go. Okay. So to get the medium size mask, we're going to try to get to 6 inches. Since 2 squares is 8 inches, all we have to do is fold 1 square in half, right? 1 square in half, 4 inches minus 2 is 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6-inch medium-sized mask is 1 square toilet paper and another half a square of toilet paper. And so I'm just going to fold that and then cut off the extra. So I'm just going to fold it to the perforation line right there and then cut off that extra piece. And if you didn't have scissors at home, I'm sure you could either tear it off or hold it folded. And so right there is the size of my medium-sized mask, 6 inches. To get to the large size fabric square or toilet paper square, all you're going to have to do is that exact same fold as you did for the medium, plus another fold. So it's the exact same thing and repeat. So we're going to do here we go. It's torn, but I'm fine with it. Are you? Okay. So I have my 2 squares, my 8 inches, and I'm going to fold that 1 square in half again, just like I did with the medium-sized mask. So I'm just going to fold that in half. So there's my 6 inches, and there's my piece I folded. I'm going to take that little tiny piece that I just folded and fold it back the other way. So it's folded one way to the perforation and then back to the other edge. So I folded it one way, now I'm going to fold it back the other way. And so you're going to kind of get that accordion look to it. I'm going to hold it flat and let's see. So you see how it folded this way, and then now it's folded back that way. That final little piece that was folded is now 1 inch, right? Because if we folded it in half, it's 2 inches in half. And then we add that extra inch, and now we have 7 inches. So I'm just going to cut off that last 1 inch. And now this is 7 inches, which is the size of my medium-sized mask, 7 inches. Now to put the toilet paper on your face, follow the next video. But I'm just going to repeat all that again. So if this doesn't make sense, or it does make sense, jump to the next video. I'm just going to do it as a visual with an index card now, just so you can see how I got to the squares. Okay? So, 2 squares equals 8 inches. Almost all toilet paper is standard like this. There's some of that really hoity-toity expensive stuff that might be a little bit bigger, but on average, all toilet paper is 4x4. 2 squares equals extra large. So I'm going to put it over here. To get your medium size, I'm going to pretend like this is my piece of toilet paper, and look at, there's my perforation line down the middle. These are my 2 pieces. All I'm going to have to do is take one of the squares and fold it in half. And so that's this one right here. I'm just going to take that square and fold it in half. That result is my medium size right here. So it's just 2 squares, taking one of those squares and folding it in half, and now you have that 6 inches. Same thing with that medium size. You're going to have your 2 squares of toilet paper. You're going to fold 1 square in half like we did on the medium. And we're going to take that extra piece and fold it back the other way. So now, when you unfold that piece, you're going to have 2 folds in that toilet paper, and you're just going to want to cut off that final fold, that final line here, because that's just 1 inch. So you just chop that off, and you'd have 7 inches. Hopefully that makes sense. Please follow the visuals if you want to get this down and make sure you're fitting yourself correctly. Check out the next video for how to place it on your face and find out if it's the perfect fit or not. That one's much shorter video. Thanks.